Hey everyone, Michael here. Today I'm going to give you guys the most important news you're going to need to know about Dogecoin. Let's get after it right now. Let's get after it. He's not getting after anything. Okay, anyway. The best news that you guys can have to hope for Dogecoin, because let's face it, it has been kind of a bummer over the last few months. We've been expecting to kind of pop, and every single time it pops, it just drops after that. So the pattern that we've been kind of trading is, if it pops, you sell, you buy back at a lower price. You can do that multiple times the last few months, and you guys would have made some really good money on Dogecoin. It's kind of a rinse and repeat type of thing. But here's what hasn't happened in a long time that's about to happen, which is going to be freaking fantastic for us. You see this right here? This 50-day moving average right here is looking to cross above the 200. That's known as a golden cross. Look it up on Investopedia or just Google it. Golden cross. It's a very important technical indicator. And it means that we're about to go boom, at least in my opinion, right? So the last time we actually had a golden cross, let's do this. I know we don't use the mouse and whatnot on the TV. Last time we had this happen, gotta zoom in real nice and easy right here, is all the way right here. So I got the dog right here. December 3rd of 2020. It's been about a whole freaking year since we've had this golden cross. So December 20th exactly. So, you know, it's a big deal. It's a really big deal, guys. So make sure to focus on it. We'll go back over here to auto now. No, not auto, but we'll just kind of swing this back. That's the big news. That's how you want to trade this going forward. I know it looks like it's in the gutter right now. Nothing really strong, good has been happening with it. If you guys own Dogecoin, just hold. It looks like the best opportunity for you right now. If you guys are looking for a stop loss or anything like that, I would use the 16-cent level as a stop loss just in case you guys are looking to buy in it. If it falls down below 16, move on from it, find another coin. You'll make a lot of money with another coin too. But as far as Dogecoin, we haven't had a golden cross in about a year. This is freaking fantastic news. If you guys like the video, please consider subscribing, and thank you guys for watching a lot. Thanks, everybody.